So the next travel compression packing cube we have is from Aerotrunk. So this comes in a 4-piece. Right off the bat, I really love how the entire side is an open, breathable mesh material. In addition, the actually outside stitching and ridges, it feels very high quality and sturdy compared to like that flimsy, thin material that most other packing cubes use. Now, when you actually go ahead and open this up, again, I'm very impressed with how this packing cube works. So you've kind of got like foldable walls within itself. But this is what it looks like and kind of expand it out. The material itself feels absolutely great. If we open up the expandable feature, I'd say it adds like well over about 5 inches in terms of the expandable feature goes. So this is actually quite neat. I'd say this feels very high quality. Let's actually go ahead and pack the largest one up with about 4 days worth of clothes. And here, again, I like how this breathable mesh material, it just shows you what's inside. There's no need for fancy ID cards. There's no need for fancy labeling. They keep it simple with the high quality material. I would just say like with the Aerotrunk packing cubes, these might be ever so slightly a bit heavier compared to other packing cubes, but that's because of the material that they use. And overall, I'm actually very pleased with the material that they use just because it feels a lot more high quality and durable. But let's actually go ahead and pack this cube up while its expanded feature is open. So here we have the Aerotrunk compression packing cube packed up. I don't know if it's going to close. Okay, so how I pack this cube is the same exact way how I pack the other cubes. I love how the flap completely opens and it's not just some like half open flap. But let's actually go ahead and zipper it up and see if it compresses down. So this one's having a bit more of a harder time as far as the compression aspect goes. So if you're into like how much your packing cube can actually handle, this one may not be able to handle 4 days worth of clothes. This is essentially what it looks like. Before I'm kind of getting worried like it might not be able to close or the zipper might break or something. But it's a bit more difficult just because of the size of the travel compression cube goes. So essentially what I would do is probably take some clothes out of here and then place it, for example, in one of these other packing cubes. So I wouldn't say like let that be the make or break for this compression packing cube in particular, just because again, I'm very pleased with the actual openness of the mesh material, very pleased with the actual quality of the design and the material itself as well. But overall, I would say less clothes is needed in here in order for it to get more compressed down. But if you weren't too worried about the actual compression aspect, I mean, this works just fine. It keeps your clothes organized. You've got the open mesh material. This works completely fine, and I would honestly be happy with this. This will easily fit in a carry-on. But let's go ahead and move on to the next compression packing cube.